Hello everyone, today I am going to discuss four key systems used in modern aircraft, which is the head-down display, the helmet-mounted display, the direct voice input, and the HOTAS systems. And before understanding, going in detail about these systems, we have to first know what is the glass cockpit. The glass cockpit is the modern aircraft cockpit that uses digital electronic screens, the displays, instead of the old mechanical gauges and dials which was used in olden aircrafts. The glass cockpit, it uses LCD or LED screens. Shows graphics, the parameters in the form of graphics, and it makes the pilot easy for him to understand the parameters. And the aim of these modern cockpit systems is to increase the pilot efficiency, reduce the load of the pilot, and increase the safety of the passengers and the crew members flying the flight. And the systems like HDD, HMD, and HOTAS provide better control and awareness. The head-down display is located inside the cockpit. It is located downwards from the view of the pilot from the windshield. It is located downwards. The pilot has to look downwards to see the parameters. The head-down display consists of primary flight display, which shows the airspeed, and the altimeter which shows the at the altitude, and then the altitude meter which shows the heading, tilt, etc. And these are used in both civil and military aircrafts. The display they use is either LED or LCD. And as you can see in this picture, this is the head-down display. This is the view of the pilot, the outer view, environmental view, and it is located downwards. If the pilot has to see any parameter, he has to look downwards, and then he can see all the parameters needed. And advantages of the head-down displays are: it is high resolution, reliable, easy to read in various light conditions. Because it is located downwards, it is not affected by the outside light conditions. Pilot can easily see the readings and the parameters, and it displays multiple information, and the layouts are more customizable for types of mission. And the limitations of head-down display is loss of outside view. The pilot has to look down to see the parameters. The outside view he cannot see when he is looking into the display. And the situational awareness of the pilot is also reduced, and the delay during the maneuvers is high. They come in head-down displays. And the next system which we are going to see is the helmet-mounted display. This display is integrated with pilot's helmet. In this, the display is attached into the face shield of the helmet. In this type of display, the aircraft parameters are shown in the glass of the helmet. The pilots can see the parameters without looking down or looking anywhere else. Within his view, within his visor, you can see the aircraft parameters. The advantages and disadvantages of helmet mounted display is shown here. The feature is that it combines sensor data, target tracking and symbology. It provides aiming cues, weapon status, flight data. It uses optical projection for view the parameters, so that it does not disturb the vision of the pilot. And the benefits of this helmet mounted displays: that if it gives full situational awareness. Pilot never looks away from outside view because he is not looking anywhere else. It is attached to his helmet itself. He can see it easily. And the faster reaction time in combat reduce workload from uh, seeing for not seeing here and there 100 times. And the next system which I am going to discuss is the direct voice input. In this type of system, the the pilot uses voice commands like display map, zoom radar, change frequency. As we use the voice commands in the day-to-day life in our phones, which we use the voice inputs like open the app, hi Alexa, do this, do that, and based on the input we give, the voice input, it opens the applications in its own. The same thing happens in the cockpit. The pilot gives the command in the voice type like the display map, zoom radar, or change frequency, and the aircraft systems takes the input and it performs the task assigned to them. And it is used in European fighter, the Typhoon and the F-35 and next gen civil cockpits. The advantages of direct voice input is that it is hands-free, faster control, it reduces physical workload, and useful during high gravity maneuvers where the acceleration due to gravity is low. It can be very useful. The direct voice input is very useful. And the next thing which I am going to discuss is the HOTAS systems. It is hands-on throttle and stick. It combines throttle and control stick with integrated buttons and switches and triggers. It is like giving all the main controls of the aircraft in a stick, joystick, which we use to play games. The same type of stick is available in the aircraft. It has main controls of the aircraft, which is the control systems, which is the primary flight control, and the controls to control the ailerons, rudders, to control the directions, etc. The main functions that has to be done in the aircraft is given in this throttle. Without moving hands to different buttons or switches available at different locations, the pilot can easily move his thumb or fingers. Using his thumbs, he can press the button and execute the task. It is used, the HOTAS system is used in most of the modern aircrafts which is available now. The Boeing 737, Airbus A320. It combines the throttle and control stick. It controls flight weapons, communications, radar, trim, autopilot. In communication also it helps. It has communication signal sent by the ATC, and it receives and it can give the control. And this is used in modern fighter jets also. It is used in F-16, F-18, Rafale, etc. It keeps pilots hands on main flight controls at all times. That it can control the primary control surfaces, secondary control surfaces, all the autopilot commands. It can be controlled in a single stick. And these are the system which I tried to discuss today. Hope you enjoyed those and understood the explanation. And this is the cockpit. This is the primary flight display, the navigation display available here. This is the HOTAS throttle, which is available in the left side, and this is the windshield which the pilot uses to view the